Okay, another episode
Another
of
banger.
Football AFRIK. Another banger. And I say just a bit. Another banger Football AFRIK. Now we don't carry come. And this week we look at one Africa Pekin. Will it really make us proud? Not to reason. Say, I mean, a normal culture for African teams to they look outside when they want to carry coach. But you get coach for Africa, we be say, for some time now, the results we don't they get. Now the kind of result we be say, if na European coach they get them or more, we know for the year word. I dey tell you, Pitso Mosimane of South Africa. Now be the person who they focus today for Football AFRIK. Because he don't do it for the African continent and he don't carry worker. Now they go Asia with a new side, Al-Ahli for Asian League. The job be as he get, but the guy not a fear. And then we'll come look our Niger teams for +234. We'll see the teams who qualify for the next round of the CAF competitions. It paid us. Say Remo Stars, we be like say they are packaging. My brother not be here. Remo Stars come Jabo come out 109. They beat them for a Kenne. But at least Rivers United, Plateau United, and Kwara United, all of them qualify. So for +234 today, we will look that game where they go play for the next round of qualifiers. You know my name already, Sawadinho, and you know say anytime I don't balance, so see myself, the taller down. Baba, what's up? Why you smile like this? You get girlfriend?
I get wife. I don't get girlfriend. Welcome everybody. Welcome.
To be how far? To be make you no loss. Make you sharply enter this matter. Football AFRIK today. We could just bring them down. Coaching wahala for Africa. We know say even for our national teams, we like Oyibo coach. But look at now. Pitso Mosimane, waiting in don't do from Mamelodi Sundowns to Al-Ahli for Egypt, and now he don't go collect job for Saudi Arabia. Al-Ahli, he don't win Champions League 3 times, Sundowns and twice back to back with Al-Ahli. He can't go lose even for final to Wydad Casablanca. Now he don't go collect Al-Ahli. The Al-Ahli job we collect for Saudi. Them being their top 4 for their pro league. They can't go relegation for the first time in their history. Even this season now. Then they're around 7 or 8 for their Division 1 league. But the man say nothing they happen. Mosimane, Shey na him be the hottest property for coaching matter for Africa now.
It has been now. That one, nobody feel contest that one now because you look this man. Apart from say, ball no bounce well for him for national team. Everywhere we don't go.
Yeah,
this guy don't win cups. From Mamelodi Sundown to Al-Ahli for Egypt. The guy they always show say him na coach with sabi in onions. He know how to coach. He know how to get results. And a coach will be say he not just dey do am local. If in the continent, in they show that working too. Yeah. Now coach will be say I don't know how I go use take put in honor for inside Mamelodi Sundowns because after you come out from Mamelodi Sundowns no be the same again.
They don't get that force.
Yeah, that vibe, that's especially for continent, know they like when Pitso day. And the funny thing be say, Sawa, this same coach, he know they fear challenges. Like when he come up from Mamelodi Sundowns, for me, I feel for once just talk say, Mamelodi Sundowns, South Africa, now my comfort zone.
Yes.
Why I want come out?
Yeah.
Waiting I want go prove. Waiting I want go achieve. But this guy go Al-Ahli. Egypt. Normally, this na Arab country be say. They know to the rate West Africans, they know to the rate other Africans. If they want rate, they will go the rate with South American coaches, European coaches, all those kind of things. But this one, they call and count the man boldness go there, still go win trophies.
Win Champions League back to back.
So it's na case of say Pitso he no get anything to prove again.
Okay.
He be like that coach will say he don't reach the highest place for inside of Africa. Yeah. The next thing I will say we could expect from Pitso Mosimane, now maybe when he coach another European side, one of these European side, because everything for Africa, Sawa, he don't silence everywhere for Africa, from local trophies to intercontinental trophies, he don't win them. The only person will say you fit.
I think he finished 3rd for World Club Cup twice.
Yeah, the only person will say you fit on the talk say okay, maybe you want one reach
that level.
Maybe Florent Ibenge.
Okay.
From DR Congo. Okay. Maybe just maybe because himself now coach will say African countries they chook I put. I think now they coach Al Hilal or something for inside Africa. So apart from that one, and that one said no even. I not to say if it reach the level of Pitso because Pitso don't do am. When they talk say been there, done it. Now what Pitso don't do, and our coach will say right about now, like we talk say in the go. The Arabian
Al-Ahli for Saudi Arabia.
Arabian Cup, Arabian competition.
That job to me.
The
Al-Ahli normally in a top 4 team for
Saudi Arabia, yeah.
But now they don't go relegation.
You won't go bring them back.
Then they like 8 for their league. But in the belief saying if you bring them come promotion.
See, now they believe we say he don't get, we say don't build over time. Now they push them now to go collect this work. Because see, for a coach we say normal. When you go continent, you they carry your team go as far as semi-final. You they carry them to go win them. The next thing you go to tell yourself, like Jose Mourinho say, okay, make I carry team where you say they never win trophy or they no did the right place right now. Make I go do waiting somebody never do before.
No,
because
so sure you say they be ready made at the job.
Apart if you ask me now, Sawa say where again if he coach, maybe na Europe because he don't do everything for Africa. And now this Arabian club won't go so. I hope Sengo fit do this because I know Sengo fit do am.
You think na banana peel for him?
Well, see, if na banana peel, he no go still stay in record.
Okay.
If no be banana peel, he go enhance the record. Because whether or not you like him, this man don't achieve. This man, na coach will say, no be saying just a startup. No be saying win one trophy. He can't go say he be champion.
Trophies in coaching career.
He did do am Syria like see every year, almost every year. Mamelodi Sundowns, Al Hilal, he dey win trophies for them. So he no get anything to prove. So if he go this place now, he no do as expected. Maybe the time frame they give him, he no do as expected. So nothing do him. Nothing gum in body. Nothing go come up from the achievements when don't get for Africa.
These days, we see coaches like Benedict McCarthy, with the part of Manchester United, their coaching setup, even though now with the youth side. Maybe a time the we will see Pitso Mosimane, the coach Premiership team, or maybe so. Super Eagles.
Why not?
If not be pride to me.
Why not?
If not be that Nigeria, South Africa, 1-2-1-2.
We not go one.
Pitso Mosimane now the kind coach way supposed carry Super Eagles job give. Pitso Mosimane, in my opinion,
on the basis of results,
Jose Pesero get not raw.
Definitely, Sawa.
So why wouldn't they reason Pitso Mosimane for Super Eagles job?
No, we no go think him.
Why?
Because na South African.
Because Nigeria, South Africa get 1 or 2 things.
Black.
So if I get South African man, if he cure my sickness, I go rather die with the sickness because of saying South Africa.
That one different. This one a rivalry between 2 countries, Sawa.
Baba, learn how to humble yourself. Go carry coach wey sabi work. Pitso Mosimane, for me, better pass Jose Pesero. We dey see their CV. Jose Pesero CV no go fit give am work for NNL side. Pitso Mosimane. Baba, we salute you for football.
Pesero, more give am to Pesero though, Sawa. He don't coach some top teams for Europe.
Waiting he don't win.
Well, that one another question.
He don't coach like 300 teams. Waiting don't win. Exaggeration. At the hype. Waiting don't win. So, how many way not stay 2 years? How many not stay 2 years?
If coach, he don't coach Braga for Portugal. Come on.
How many? Well, my brother, waiting he don't win. So now there we will take hold on for Football AFRIK. But make we enter plus 234. Where we talk about Nigerian teams who don't qualify for the next round of the CAF Champions League and CAF Confederations Cup. The last result we will see Remo Stars then lose for house 1-0, and that one pain everybody because some of the packaging where Remo Stars carry come. That one they can't give us hope. But you don't get as it be. We still get Rivers United, we still get Plateau United, and we still get Kwara United. I don't know. Everybody don't allow say final bust up. Rivers United they play Wydad, and Plateau United they play Esperance. Kwara United for the Confederations Cup they play RS Berkane. To me, I don't know why they laugh.
Hey, because see, there's joy in my heart because I know say the sorrow will always come. But when you get joy for your heart, when the sorrow come, you go use your joy, take neutralize them. Because me, I don't give up. Sawa, would they play Moroccan team? No, would they play Moroccan team? Would they play Tunisian team? Sawa, this na the. If you talk Morocco, you talk South Africa, Egypt, Tunisia. Maybe small Algerian team, USM Algiers, and maybe some of them.
Yeah, but not African teams generally.
But Sawa, you know the batting. You know the batting. Our first leg now home,
and our second leg now away. But Remo be not sure say them fit go away. Go get
Sawa, leave that team. What did they do there for home? No, they tell me that
at least if you go away, go get it.
Now home here, they go kill us. Because For me, you know, the first thing why the problem why I first get and I say Rivers United play Watanga. No, they play Watanga.
Liberia. Yes, they play Watanga.
They
lose 1-0.
First half you score 3 goals. Second half you know if you score any goal.
You don't score any goal. That second half will be 90 minutes. So first half will be 90 minutes. You score 3. Second half will be 90 minutes.
You know if you score any goal for second half. So what be the hope?
Yeah.
Watanga. Now, Kwara United self the same thing.
Yeah.
You score 3 goals first half.
Yes.
You go away, nothing. So what will we talk now? Plateau United maybe okay, then play Gabonese.
Which way them pour blood?
Manji.
Nah, Kwara United and them pour blood. I mean, who them pour blood?
No. Let's see Kwara United. No, Kwara United.
Who them pour blood?
Kwara United.
What do you all those things for Africa?
No. But you know now, see now the normal how go you put them now? Now the normal African settings will be say, you know when you want like put fear for your opponent, but
yeah, you're going to do all those things.
Yeah, just to. I think this guy they tell us something. I don't know whether you did with me that day. What's his name? Abu. They talk say when they go play match one time, but this time no be North Africa.
Yeah,
I think Middle Africa or something. Say Juju did their dressing room. You understand? Say now boys come their manager or their kids manager, so come they sweep them come out. So all those things sometimes that just intimidate. Normally for Africa, for Nigeria, yes, how would they do?
Oh, would they do?
Rivers United coach. What's his name?
Eguma.
When he go play league match. When then he see so he say no go enter. No, Sawa, you didn't know. More talking about ACB. So if Kwara United they see that kind of thing, you know supposed to be new thing for them.
Okay.
Because for Nigeria here, they said that they do them. So why it be new thing for them if they see blood?
But then the thing about North African teams is say they don't get time to come to
They don't get time. They don't get time.
The noise way fast go make, and then all these their lights they call them laser lights and all those things. But when we go take up all those kind of things, you know.
Somebody give me gist about playing North African teams. He say the team be say the fear where they go put for you, no be all these fetish things.
No be juju matter.
No. So they go first oppress you with their what they use one train, their beeps, their cone, everything. All those things. They go first set them up.
You go like say na Ronaldo they train. You go see their training. You go they remember coach they tell
you know
3 laps.
3 laps. You know them. They go, you hear see they sip juice. Just come. They just do maybe IHOP meals, all those maybe small one walk. Just do. You consider their nice kitchen. Everything go nice. They go package well.
They go press you.
Then you consider and say you won't beat them.
What do you want the reason how you go take sign for them?
Exactly. by the time they come Adokia, carry like packaged water. Package drink, everything. Fly their
now what Remo won't do for us when no come.
Yeah, but you know, since Remo own, they no get experience.
Yeah, and I just
one of those things that kill them. But so in all of this, we no fit there they do if wishes were horses.
Horses, yeah.
More look at them realistically.
Okay.
Who be the team we go fit qualify us
for these 3 teams?
For these 3 teams, so it is very difficult.
You know, even go for Rivers United.
Berkane in a Confederations Cup, they from come. They enter final last year.
Yeah.
Wydad Champions League, expert in Champions League.
Yeah.
So
Esperance
of Tunisia, yes, maybe they know, but they get the experience too. You know, if you just rule them out. And so if you look this our more talk through. Apart from Rivers United, Plateau United and Kwara United, no get the players.
Okay.
If we one day true to ourselves. Because at the look Kwara United, their player, and they say Wasiu Jimo.
They don't think. Can be sense.
Plateau United, the sign player, they go for no, Sawa. You know they're encouraging. But my Nigerian spirit say to me believe. Say 1 out of 3 go fit enter.
But your team spirit,
Sawa, no, we no go fit, no one.
Now the last post of
no one. Now here everybody go die.
Everybody will come. Okay, the good thing now, say I think if Rivers United and Plateau United lose for this, they go drop enter
Confederations. Now the only joy be that.
The only good
but they go still play another round
of qualifiers.
So now there the Wala go still there. So let's see if we give them hot
tough
things.
people for there.
So now there Wala there. But for me, for me, I go appreciate the fact say Rivers United, Plateau United, then come this far for Champions League.
Okay.
But I go appreciate the fact more.
Yeah.
Say Rivers United, we don't get more experience for inside continent. Go fit do more than waiting they go to give Nigerians.
Because be the more we would expect from them.
Going to the group stage.
Okay.
So we don't see them for group stage for Confederations Cup before.
Yeah.
You understand? At least they don't win league title for the first time since when they created the name Rivers United. Mo could see them do something for inside continent for Champions League. Rub shoulders with the big boys like Wydad. Wydad now one of the big boys then for inside continent. Why you not feel rub shoulders with them? If your governor feel they say they want carry you go Spain for pre-season tour, why you not feel rub shoulders with Wydad? You get the money where Wydad gets. You get backing like Wydad get. Two things where Wydad they do on top of the field of play. But then we know say they don't get the right kind of players.
That'll be the first time Rivers United they go pre-season. I remember they've been on go pre-season for Spain before. I think they play with Villarreal for one of those games.
They
all
shine.
of that. They shine. They do well, but
They come continent.
nothing come out. You understand? Rivers United are Bermuna try for us. Plateau
If
United
only, just one Champions League, Sawa.
at least group stage.
Yes.
At least since after Yimba 2003,
Aye.
2004.
No, Sawa, you know it's bad. It's
Muna
bad.
just try. Rivers United come on shame. Muna just 30 me shut up.
Thank
just
you.
Try 30 me shut up.
Shut me up.
Just shut me
I
up
want to be
too.
shut up.
Even me, I follow Timmy to say now na final bus to be this for Champions League. Muna tell me say Sawadinho shut up. I be Port Harcourt boy. Muna tell me say Winnie shut up. You understand? Okay, now what they say bye bye. Yourself, make you no forget say you feed the chook mouth for inside everything we they talk for our podcast YouTube Football Republic NG and make you tell us what you think about the videos we they drop and make you tell us what you think about the chances of Rivers United, Plateau United and Kwara United. This is now +234 inside Football AFRIK. My name is Sawadinho and Timi. Now we'll bring this one come until we come on our way again. Baba, make it be like say we no see.
Football Republic.